सो स्टूडेंट कैसे हैं सब? वेलकम टू दिस YT सक्सेस चैनल. We'll start state holders, that is the part of the management of natural resource. Various forest produce we all use, but our dependency on forest resource varies. जैसे कि some much amount यूज करता है, हम यूज very less, and access to the alternatives some do not. So as most of the products we are using forest product, it may be direct or it may be some modified form in other form, but at least we use forest, at least we use oxygen, but not. So forest is most beneficial to us. So the people who live on around forest, जो कि मतलब फॉरेस्ट के आसपास में रहते हैं, इस कारण से आप लोगों को दिखाई देगा अच्छे से देखो. सो जो आसपास में रहते हैं फॉरेस्ट के, तो वो डिपेंडेंट ऑन फॉरेस्ट प्रोड्यूस. ओके, सो फॉर वेरियस एस्पेक्ट ऑफ देयर, उनका लाइफ के वेरियस एस्पेक्ट में वो वेरी करता है. ओके, सो द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट, गवर्नमेंट का जो फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट, ओके, which owns the land and control resource from forest, कंट्रोल करता है फॉरेस्ट रिसोर्स. इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट जो है, फ्रॉम दूज हु यूज टेंडू लीव्स, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट टेंडू लीव्स बना के बीड़ी जो बनाते हैं, वो सब क्या करते हैं, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट यूज करते हैं मेक बीड़ी. इट इज ऑल्सो विथ पेपर मिल्स में यूज होता है. जैसे वेरियस फॉरेस्ट प्रोडक्ट यूज होते हैं, बट आर नॉट डिपेंडेंट द फॉरेस्ट इन वन एरिया. दैट मीन्स वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ एरिया वी डिपेंड ऑन वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ द एरिया. और जो वाइल्ड लाइफ है फॉरेस्ट में, नेचुरल एंथुसियास्टिस्ट है, वो क्या करते हैं, कंजर्व करना चाहते हैं, वांट टू कंजर्व नेचर इन साइड फॉर्म, जैसे भी उसको कंजर्व करना चाहते हैं. सो कुछ देखेंगे एग्जाम्पल. टेक ए लुक एट ईच ऑफ दिस ग्रुप्स नीड्स. जैसे कि फॉरेस्ट का लोकल पीपुल है, उनको क्या चाहिए, लोकल पीपुल फायरवुड. जो डिस्टेंस में रहते हैं वो जाके फायरवुड कलेक्ट करेंगे, क्या नहीं तो जो पास में रहते हैं लोकल पीपुल वो फायरवुड कलेक्ट करेंगे. यस और नो. और टिम्बर चाहिए थेच के लिए, बाम्बू लाते हैं हट बास्केट बनाने के लिए, जैसे बाम्बू में बास्केट बना होता है पूरी. और एग्रीकल्चर, फिशिंग के लिए, हंटिंग के लिए, वो सब जो इम्प्लीमेंट्स है, दीज आर मेड फ्रॉम वुड. ओके, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो साइट फॉर फिशिंग एंड हंटिंग. इन एडिशन टू पीपुल fruits collect, not also collect medicines. These are they all collect from the forest. Their cattle also graze in forest area or feed on fodder which collect from the forest. So such use of forest resource would lead to the exhaustion of this resource. ये resource क्या होता है, यूज होता है, resource exhaust होता है. So don't forget that before the British came and took over most of our forest area, people had been living in these forest. Before people were also living in forest, and they had also developed the practice that resource were used in a sustainable manner. ये सब practice था. So British क्या किया, control on the forest, and these people are forced depend on much smaller area, and forest resource started becoming overexploited to some extent. So the British people which came, so they use forest resource and try to exploit it. Okay, so the forest department जो है, it is a independent India took over from the British, but local knowledge and local needs जो था पहले से, local needs slowly it is ignored, and मतलब they are using less before. So vast tract of forest converted to monoculture of pine. That means if in a forest area we start planting one type of tree, that is let's say pine or eucalyptus, but in forest area not one type, जो natural forest mix what होता है, then there are various types of trees are present, but if we plant then one type of tree is present. So if we want to plant one type of tree in a forest area, so first or want to vegetation, want to crop field, make the crop field, so forest are cured, and this destroys the large amount of biodiversity. I had told the biodiversity, so it's destruction of the large amount of biodiversity is run. सिर्फ ये नहीं है, वेरियस नीड्स ऑफ द पीपुल फॉर द लोकल पीपुल, जैसे कि हो सकता है लीव्स, हो सकता है हर्ब्स फॉर मेडिसिन, फ्रूट्स, नट्स, नो लॉन्गर बी मेड फ्रॉम सच फॉरेस्ट. तो फॉरेस्ट नहीं मिला क्योंकि फॉरेस्ट एरिया डिक्रीज हो रहा है, उसका डिमांड इंक्रीज हो रहा है, बर्न हो रहा है, और वी आर ऑल्सो क्लियरिंग फॉर आवर पर्पज. सो द लोकल पीपुल व्हिच यू आर सेइंग दे आर नॉट गेटिंग सच मच ऑफ फॉरेस्ट. ओके, सो दिस प्लांटेशन आर यूजफुल द इंडस्ट्री. जैसे कि one type of plant is grown, so it gives the product, it gives the raw material for the factory, and it becomes the source of revenue for the forest department. Okay, so how many industry, जितना भी industry, how many industry are based on forest produce? कितने सारे इंडस्ट्री है, बहुत सारा. शॉर्ट काउंटेबल्स, टिम्बर, पेपर, लैक, स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट्स, सो ये सब डिपेंड ऑन दी फॉरेस्ट. एंड इंडस्ट्री जो है, इट कंसिडर फॉरेस्ट इज सोर्स ऑफ रेयर मटेरियल फॉर फैक्ट्रीज, सो इट गिव्स द फैक्ट्रीज द रॉ मटेरियल. एंड ह्यूज इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप्स lobby the government for access of these raw materials, and the industrial group they ask government for access of these materials at artificial low rate. Since these industries have a greater reach than the local people, they are not interested in the sustainability of forest in one particular area. So as the industrialists have reached the government compared to the local people, so they create pressure on the government. So for example, all the tree cutting हो गया in an area, so they'll get the teak from a forest further away. They do not have any stake ensuring that one particular area should yield an optimal amount of some produce all reasons to come. So in this way forest were exports. And next we will come that nature and wildlife enthusiasts जो which are जो present, okay, were in no way dependent on forest, उसको forest के ऊपर dependent नहीं है, but they consider say in management, the conservationist, they tried also interested, take a great interest for saving lions, tigers, elephants, जो wild animals, that the wild animals to save with the forest. They now recognize need to preserve biodiversity, so we have to preserve biodiversity all, and it has been felt by this enthusiast. But should not we recognize people as forming part of forest system, and people do not recognize forest part of the system. There have been enough instances of local people working traditionally for conservation of forest. For example, in case of Bishnoi community of Rajasthan, it is a part of community in Rajasthan for whom conservation of forest and wildlife has been a religious tenet. They consider with culture, with their culture, okay, it is in a part of the culture. So it is the necessity, it is the tradition to save plant. एन एग्जाम्पल उसमें हम ले सकते हैं, जैसे कि द गवर्नमेंट में इंडिया, ठीक है, रिसेंटली इंस्टीट्यूट अमृता देवी बिश्नोई नेशनल अवार्ड फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ कंजर्वेशन के लिए रिसेंटली इंस्टीट्यूट को है इन द मेमोरी ऑफ अमृता देवी बिश्नोई, जो कि 1735 में सेक्रीफाइस की उनका लाइफ विथ 363 अदर्स फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ खेजरी ट्री इन खेजराली विलेज नियर जोधपुर इन राजस्थान. So it is a, but it was also a important part that people are giving their life for the saving of the forest or saving of the tree. And also prejudice against the traditional use of forest area has no basis. Here is an example, the Great Himalayan National Park. It is within the reserve area, alpine meadows which are grazed by sheep in summer. and nomadic shepherds also drove their flock from the valley every summer. This national park was formed, this practice was put to an end. जो भी when national park was formed, ये practice put to an end, वो practice नहीं हुआ क्योंकि उससे एक जो ecosystem का एक part है, it has been destroyed. So now it is seen that without the regular grazing by sheep, the grass first grows very tall and then falls over, preventing fresh growth. So our management of protected area by keeping local people out by using force cannot possibly successful in the long run. ऐसे possibly हम नहीं कर सकते. In any case, the damage caused to forest cannot be attributed to only local people. जैसे कि forest का कुछ भी distribute हुआ, so it suffers total human population, human mass. So we should not give a blind eye to the deforestation. As a human being, it is our responsibility to save forest because it is our life. We get oxygen and all other products our living, and so we should protect forest. And we have to accept that human intervention has been very much a part of the forest landscape. उसमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा more human intervention होता है. What is to be managed in nature and extent of this intervention? Forest resource ought to be used in a manner that is both environmentally and developmentally sound. In other words, while the environment is preserved, the benefits of the control exploitation go to the local people, a process by which decentralized economic growth and ecological conservation go hand in hand. The kind of economic and social development we want will ultimately determine whether the environment will be conserved or further destroyed. So the environment may not be regarded as a pristine collection of plant elements. It is a vast and complex entity that offers a range of natural resources for use. जैसे कि देखो, it should be conserved forest because it is also a part of our economy, and as it is a part of economy, once it is destroyed, so we need much more time to save. Okay, so we should not put a blind eye. So saving of future, saving of our forest is most important. So from next class, I think more will not study. Next class we will study from sustainable development. Okay, thank you.